Welcome. It's a girl Bidian. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to discuss about how best to lay your bundles for wig making. I've seen people who buy hair and they tell me they want 24, 22 and 18 and 18 closure, and I wonder how they want to like fix that hair and make it lay properly. But that's why I actually have decided to make this video a quick one to just tell you, I mean, from my own view, best way to lay a bundles for wig making. The first hair I'll go for is if you're doing anything bob. When I mean bob, anything equal length, like what I have behind me, like anything equal length. Either you're using a straight bundle or you're using a coily bundle, you always put the shorter length under before you put the longer length, and you always make sure that your closure is the same length with the longer one, with the longer length. You want to do a 12 inches bob, you get 10 inches bundles, 2 10 inches, 2 10 inches, 1 12 and a 12 closure. Or if you don't want it to be full, you can get 1 10 inches, 1 12 inches and a closure or a frontal, depending on what you want. So, and if you're not doing bob, even if you're not doing it like a bobby wig, like what I mean, like equal length, if you're not doing that, you're just doing the regular wig. For my own for what I do for my own wig is because I like the down of the hair to be a little bit fuller, you know, because if you're using 20, 22, 24, you know that 24 will not be, you have to still trim 24 down to come a little bit up to 22. So instead of that, I prefer to do 224, 122, then a 20 closure or a 22 closure if my vendor have 22 closure, or if I have 22 closure available, I prefer to use that. But mostly I use 224, 122 and a 20 inches closure. So that's the way I lay my own wig. You know, you put the long length, if you're not doing bob, you're doing the regular one. So some people would prefer to do 24, 22, 20 and a 20 closure. It's okay, depend if it's like body wave and you want to like trim, you know, you want to do the trimming, you want to trim the side, it's okay for you to do it that way. But I see some people do 22, 20 and 16, you know. If you look at the hair, the tip of the hair, you know, there's this beauty that comes with the way the hair falls. So if you get it wrong with the length, when you get it wrong in that perspective, the fall, you don't see that beauty, that fall that comes with it. So if you want to do like an 18 inches hair, what I do is I do 218, 116 or half 16 and a 16 inches closure or frontal, depending on what I want to do. So if you're doing like 22 inches, I do 222 and 120 with a 20 closure. That's the way I arrange my own wig when I'm sewing. I put the longer length. Instead of me, I don't do 20, 18, 16, 16. I would rather do 20, 20, 18, 18 for my wig. Because it's still the same thing, like 20, 18, 16, 16. I prefer to do for my own custom wigs. I do, instead of doing 20, 18, 16, 16, I do 20, 20, 18, 18. So it gives me this beauty balance, and I'm cool with that. So that's from my own view. It depends on how you see it. Well, if you can try it and see the difference between what, if you've been doing 2018, 16, 16, and you want to see the difference between doing 2020, 18, 18 and 2018, 16, 16, you look at the difference and see how the air falls. You get it, what I'm trying to say? So depend on you, depend on how your own preference, but I'm just from my own experience and what I feel that's the best way to lay it, because most people tell me that they don't get it. Like, if especially like when my clients call to buy bundles and they tell me they want 20, 18, 16, 14, I try to advise them that it's better to buy 20, 18, 16, 16, to give you this label. Sometimes some people just want it that way, let them be. But when they bring it back for me to do wig, it becomes a problem, because I would definitely see it. The falls would always come out when they're using it for a wig, because the upper side will be fuller while the down will be tiny. So it's wig. We try to make it more realistic, so we just have to make it realistic, right? So I hope my little video, you are going to get something from what I just discussed, and I hope it helps. So keep making wig, keep making money. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now. Ciao.